That he wanted to help them.
Yeah, exactly. You know that.
When I wake up, well, I know
But no, we gotta have
I'm
somebody
gonna
better
be
than
the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes
How far
along
this
with
is?
you.
A half mile?
If I get drunk,
0.65 miles.
0.65 miles in, and we come to this fork. And so we don't go this way, we're
Yeah,
going to go
how many
right.
have we walked so
yeah, I
far?
know I'm gonna be the man who's healing to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm walking, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. When the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you. When I come home, oh, I know I'm gonna be the man who comes back home to you.
Because then you
If I broke, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's growing over you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walks 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. When I'm lonely, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's lonely without you. And when I'm dreaming, well, I know I'm gonna dream about the time